Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Melbet app in iPhone in Bangladesh. This is really easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Melbet account. To do this, you will click on register. Next, you will click on full. Here, you're going to enter all your personal information, and at the promo code section, you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you recharge your account with $50, you will get $150. Here, you're going to head directly into your app store, and here you're simply going to click on the search bar and enter Melbet. Now, as you can see, there is no options for the Melbet app inside the app store. So we are simply going to click on our profile icon at the top right. Then you are going to click on our iCloud icon. So next, you are simply going to click on country or region, where you can see here France. Next, you are going to click on this only option of modifier le pays or change the country or region. Then you are going to scroll all the way down to the country known as Egypt. You are going to click on Egypt. Then you are going to click on accepter, and then you are going to click on confirm at the top right. Next on this first option, you are going to click on aucun. Then you are going to scroll all the way down, and to this first option, you are simply going to enter 95 Ahmed Orabi ST. Next, you are going to skip the next option, and you are going to click on this next option. Here you are going to enter Cairo. Then you are going to click on the next option and enter again. Then you are going to click on the next option and select once again Cairo. Next, you are going to click on OK, and then on the postal code, you are simply going to enter 11511. Next, you are going to enter exactly this number of 023. And next you are going to enter 026914. Then you are going to click on OK. So you are going to fill exactly this information as I does in order to get the Melbet app. Well done. Now you are going to click on next at the top right, and this will save the changes directly and apply it to your app store account. So you are simply going to click on the search icon at the bottom right, and then you are going now to search for Melbet.